to change Discord password if you forgot it. First thing first, open any browser of your preference and on the web address bar type in discord.com and press enter on the keyboard. This will open the official website of Discord. So let's click on login button at the top right corner of the screen. So you'll get access to your login page where you have to enter your email or phone number and the password. But as you know that we have forgotten our current password, so let's enter the phone number or email here. Then after that, on this password section, let's keep as it is and click on forget your password link at the bottom here. Then you need to enter your confirmation code to reset your password. So you need to check your phone number and check your SMS. Enter the code that you haven't received. So once you have done that, here you can see change your password box has already been appeared. So here you can enter the new password and click on change password button. Let's click on change password button. And if you wish to save password, you can click on save, otherwise click on never. So that was quite easy.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.